1. Introduction. Greet the audience and introduce the topic. Give a brief explanation of what e-commerce is and why it's a great way to make money online. 2. What is e-commerce? Define e-commerce as buying and selling products or services online. Mention popular platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, WooCommerce, and explain how they work. 3. Best e-commerce business models. 1. Dropshipping. Sell products without holding inventory. 2. Print on demand. Sell custom-designed products without managing stock. 3. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Let Amazon store and ship your products. 4. Your own website, DTC, direct to consumer. Build your own brand and sell directly. 4th steps to start an e-commerce business market research. Find trending and profitable products. Choose a business model. Decide between dropshipping, FBA, or your own store. Pick a niche. Focus on a specific category, e.g., tech gadgets, fitness products, home decor. Set up your store. Use Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon to create your online shop. Source products. Use suppliers like AliExpress, Alibaba, or Printify. Marketing and traffic. Use social media ads, SEO, and influencer marketing to drive sales. 5. Best platforms for e-commerce, Shopify. Best for beginners. Amazon FBA, great for reaching a massive audience. Etsy, ideal for handmade and unique products. WooCommerce, best for a fully customizable store. 6. How to get your first sales. Facebook and Instagram ads. Run targeted ads to attract customers. TikTok and YouTube marketing. Create viral content around your products. Affiliate and influencer marketing. Partner with influencers to promote your store. 7. Common mistakes to avoid choosing the wrong niche. Ignoring customer service. Not testing ads properly. 8. Conclusion and call to action. Summarize the key takeaways. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and comment if they found the video helpful. Provide a free resource, like a checklist or a guide, to get them started.